Hi everybody, welcome to Insight. Today I'm going to show you how to install a font in Adobe Premiere. Now, I've made this video before, but people have been very critical because they said or say that I go on and on. So in this video, I am going to make it really snappy and show you how to install the font. So let's begin. The first thing you do is you go to your control panel, put font in the field, and open the preview, delete, or show and hide fonts folder. This is where all your fonts are installed. So once you have this folder open, go to the web, find the font that you want to install. In this case, I am at a website called 1001freefonts.com. You can go there, you can go somewhere else, it doesn't matter. Choose a font that you like. In this case, I'm going to use the Springtime Sunshine font because it's April 5th and it's still cold as hell here in Ontario, Canada. So I'm going to download this font and put it on my desktop. Here it is. It's downloaded into my download folder. I'm going to extract it onto the desktop here, and you'll notice that there are two different font files. One is an OTF file and the other is a TTF file. They are similar. Adobe Premiere can read both files, but I recommend that you use the TTF file. So right click on the TTF file and install it into the font folder. Pretty easy. Go down, make sure that it's in there. There it is, Springtime Sunshine Regular. Once you've got it in there, open up your Adobe Premiere project. So once the project opens, you're ready to insert a text on the timeline. Click on the text icon, go to the timeline, insert your text. I'm going to write here Springtime font. Make it a bit bigger. Go to the pull down menu and look for Springtime font. Here it is, Springtime Sunshine. So click on that and there it is in your project. And at this point you can do anything you want. Put a different fill in it, put some stroke on it if you want. You can do pretty much whatever you want at this point in time. Please subscribe to my channel. Take care for now, and I will see you soon. Hopefully this is short enough. Take care. Bye-bye.